There's no need to stress over your new printing project anymore. That's because we are here to talk all about die-cut printing and how it can fit into your production. Die-cut printing is a process that combines printing with die-cutting services to create accurately printed custom products. It allows for the creation of identical printed components with customized designs and instructions, which can potentially enhance your product branding or functionality. Before we talk about the 8 types of die-cut printing, let's look at the 2 primary methods of printing: direct versus indirect printing. Direct printing involves heating a chemically treated surface to create the desired text or image, while indirect printing uses proxy materials to transfer text over, such as thermal transfer printing. There are a lot of printing methods that you can use for your parts, but today we're going to go into the process and application of the 8 common methods that we often see. First is flexographic printing. The process starts when ink is transferred from a tray through rollers to a photopolymer print plate with raised areas. The inked areas are transferred directly to the substrate as the assembly rotates. Common applications are for high volume, high speed printing of static, non-variable image like printed logo tapes. Next is gravure printing, where a print cylinder with etched designs rotates in an ink reservoir. Excess ink is removed with a doctor blade and the image is transferred directly to the substrate. The applications we recommend it for are high volume, high speed printing with fine detail and sharp prints, such as magazine covers. Third is screen printing, where the ink is forced through a screen with a template using a squeegee or wiper blade to create the printed image. Common applications are durable prints with high opacity, thickness, and rich colors. This is commonly seen on t-shirts. Fourth is lithography. The process starts when oil-based ink is applied to a plate or cylinder with water-receptive non-image areas. The image is transferred directly to the substrate. We recommend this application for artistic prints requiring crisp and high-quality colors. Lithography is more artistic, whereas offset lithography is used for high-volume production. Fifth is letterpress printing, where ink is distributed onto the raised surface of a flat printing plate. The ink plate is pressed onto a rotating cylinder with a substrate wrapped around it. This is great for artistic or stationary purposes. Sixth is offset printing, where an intermediary rubber blanket transfers the image from a lithographic plate to the substrate. This is used for high volume printing with crisp, high quality colors like magazines. Seventh is digital printing, which uses digital technology without plates or cylinders. The image is created digitally and printed through different methods, which include inkjet and laser. Inkjet sprays microscopic ink droplets onto the substrate. It's ideal for cost-effective, short-run printing with vivid colors. Laser uses laser beams to create a negatively charged image on a drum, which attracts toner particles that are transferred to the substrate and fused with heat and pressure. It's ideal for fast printing with sharp black text, such as office or document printing. Last is thermal image printing, where wax or resin-coated ribbons with text are melted onto the substrate when heat is applied. This is best for long-lasting prints, such as barcodes or clothing tags. It's more costly, but it's also very durable. Automation in printing involves either guiding die cuts directly into printers or printing on material and then die cutting. Both of these methods are great when you consider your timeline and end product. When automating printing, you can have fixed or variable printing. Variable printing is a cheaper option where your print design will not be in the same spot on the part, whereas fixed printing is a much stricter method with sensors to line up the printing to be perfect every time. Custom branding involves curating a company's reputation through various visual elements such as logos and color schemes. Spot color printing is essential for achieving desired brand colors accurately, ensuring consistency and recognizability. Converters play a crucial role in integrating your printing needs into custom die cutting processes, offering one-pass production solutions for efficient branding. If you have any more questions about printing, feel free to visit our Learning Center or reach out to us directly. Thanks for watching.